can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Chiliz. Over the last 1 year, Chiliz is down 25% with a market cap of $384 million. Chiliz currently trades around $0.039. In this video, we'll look at Chiliz performance against the US dollar over the years. It's been dumping to gobbling town since the top came in for it in 2021. Is the bottom in? How high can we possibly go? Where are we going to face resistance as we're pumping to higher prices? We'll look at Chiliz performance against the US dollar. We'll look at Chiliz performance against Ethereum, which has dropped to new all-time lows. We'll also look at Chiliz market cap. Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Sentiment in the currency market is improving. Right now, there's greed in the market. We're waiting for that epic altcoin season pump. How will that affect the price of Chiliz? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Signs of life in the altcoin market. We're seeing a lot of altcoins pick up on the daily, on the weekly, on the monthly time frame. Chiliz is only up 1.6% for the last 1 month. And even though it's still down on the yearly time frame, we have to look ahead. We have to ask ourselves the million-dollar question. Will Chiliz ever pump to the moon, or are we just going to continue dumping to gobbling town? And where are we going to get rejected when that pump to the moon begins? We saw Chiliz still setting new lows in the bottom of the bear market. That saw Chiliz still dumping till June of 2025. Chiliz has been dumping since 2021 top. In 2021, Chiliz was one of the altcoins to hold from the COVID sell-off in March of 2020. We saw Chiliz trading around the $0.0045 level. We saw it rallying to higher prices. We saw it pumping in 365 days by more than 18,000%. Crazy pump, if you ask me. That's kind of outrageous pump you see in the cryptocurrency market. Huge volatility at the end of a long bear market, and that's what market participants are expecting. That's the kind of crazy pump we want to see in Chiliz. But guys, there's a lot of difficulties along the way. It's not going to be a smooth ride to the top. We first saw Chiliz finding the support around the $0.051 level. We eventually lost that support. Right now, we're building a base below $0.051, and that's as high as $0.051 and $0.03. That's where Chiliz has been accumulating over the last few months. Now, the $0.05 level is going to be the first resistance level. We saw us forming a base there before we dropped below it. So I'll not be shocked if we get rejected there before we start our journey to the moon. After that, we need to go back to where Chiliz was trading in March of 2024. March of 2024, Chiliz got to as high as the $0.16 level. There was a lot of hype in the market. There's a lot of greed in the market, but Chiliz failed to rally above the $0.16 level. That level proved to be very difficult from where we're currently trading. For Chiliz to rally back there, we need to see it pump by more than 329%. That's a 120% pump to the upside, and that 120% pump to the upside, guys, can happen very quickly. That's how altcoins pump. If you look at what Chiliz did in the ending phases of the previous market cycle, in February of 2021, Chiliz was trading around the $0.031 level, and by the time the bull market ended for it, just 35 days later, we have seen Chiliz rally up by more than 2,800%. So you can understand when market participants are expecting a blow off top. You can understand when they're expecting epic rallies to end the bull markets. But one step at a time. The higher we go, the more dangerous it becomes. The higher you go, the more you should watch out, because guys, these altcoins, they can pump very quickly to the moon, but the downside is that they can also dump very quickly to gobbling town. So after that $0.16 level, we could easily get stuck around $0.3 from where Chiliz is trading right now. For us to get to the $0.3 level, we still need to see it pump by more than 600%. And after that, still not straight to new all-time highs. There's one final level before we meet the boss. That's the all-time highs. That will be around the $0.6 level. By that time, Chiliz is up over 1,400%. For us to get to new all-time highs, that's rallying past the previous all-time highs, we need to see more than a 2,000% pump from Chiliz from where we're currently trading. Crazier things are happening in the cryptocurrency market. We've seen Chiliz pump aggressively like that in the past, exactly from the $0.039 level to the previous all-time high. Chiliz did that in 28 days. So I don't think this time is different, but I don't think we'll be pumping that aggressive. I believe at one of these resistance level, the rally will come to an end. The jury is still out which of those resistance level it would be. If you look at Chiliz performance over the last few years, the market cap has dropped to as low as $384 million. Even though 24-hour trading volume is still up around $20 million, Chiliz all-time high happened on the 13th of March 2021. We saw it trading for as high as $0.89 right now. It's down 95% from the all-time highs. You want to get some Chiliz for yourself? You can get some on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, on OKX, on BitGet, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Chiliz tokens right there. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is improving. Right now, there's greed in the cryptocurrency market. We'll be expecting extreme greed in the coming days and the coming weeks. Extreme greed usually has a good time for altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. Extreme greed is when we see altcoins going parabolic. I won't be shocked if that's when we see Chiliz making that big move, rallying to as high as 0.3, maybe 0.5, maybe a new all-time highs. But guys, you have to be very careful. The higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you start hearing outrageous price predictions for Chile. The higher we go, the more you see market participants saying it's possible to get to $1, it's possible to get to $10, it's possible to go to an outrageous price target. But even though it's possible, it might not happen this cycle. So the higher we go, the more you take some profits off the table, because greed eventually leads to extreme greed, eventually leads to a dump, to gobbling town, and then another bear market. But if you look at Bitcoin dominance, it's giving a lot of hope to the altcoins in the market. Bitcoin dominance sits at 58%. We'll be expecting further decline in Bitcoin dominance, which historically has led to good times in the altcoin market. A decline in Bitcoin dominance from where we're currently trading, we see capital flowing to the altcoin market, we see altcoins pumping aggressively. Altcoins pumping aggressively will send sentiment cryptocurrency market to the extreme. You see extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. These are telltale signs we are getting to the end of a cycle. If you look at altcoin season index right now, we're not in altcoin season. If you don't know what altcoin season is, guys, if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days, it is officially altcoin season. And that's when altcoins go parabolic, and that's when market participants enjoy holding altcoins for over a few years. That's when the payoff comes. We saw a little altcoin season in December of 2024. Hopefully, we'll see another altcoin season before the end of 2025. But remember, guys, an altcoin season is a sign that the end is near. An altcoin season with Bitcoin dominance dumping and sentiments reaching the grid level will be your telltale sign you should start running for the hills. Where will Chiliz be trading there? Around the $0.4 level, around the $0.5 level, maybe at a new all-time highs. Only time will tell. But then we have to look at Chiliz performance against Ethereum. Chiliz has lost so much value against Ethereum, dropping to new all-time lows from where it was rallying in March of 2021. Since then, we've seen Chiliz lose around 98% of its value. Historically, guys, the market cycle doesn't end when we're at all-time lows. The market cycle doesn't end when all coins are dumping aggressively to gobbling town against Ethereum. But when we see a reversal, when we see Ethereum losing value against Chiliz, when we see market participants flipping the Ethereum gain into the altcoin market, into altcoins like Chiliz, and we see Chiliz outperforming Ethereum by 100, 200, even as high as 500% in a short period of time, that might be the exit signal we have been waiting for. A 400% pump for Chiliz from where we're currently trading, guys. Will not see us at new all-time highs. That will see us just crossing the $0.16 level. That will see Chiliz trading around $0.2. And that can happen before the end of 2025. If you look at Chiliz market cap, which sits at the $384 million level, we could easily rally back to $1 billion, but the previous all-time high for Chiliz market cap sits at $4.8 billion. For us to get back to the previous all-time highs, we need to see Chiliz pump by more than 1,100%. For us to get to new cycle highs, for us to get to new yearly highs, to rally past where we're trading in December of 2024, to rally past where we traded in March of 2024, we need to see Chiliz get to that $1.4 billion level, and that will require us pumping by 282%. Guys, drop a thought in the comment section. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is improving. Chiliz currently trades around $0.039. How high do you see it going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are you going to be selling for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.